Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and today I'm going to work on ninth experiment of the case tools lab, which is forward engineering. Now the aim of the experiment is to create a source code from the class diagram for the multiplayer network. Let's go on to the description part. Forward engineering is just a process of transforming a model into codes through a mapping to an implementation language. Forward engineering requires application of software engineering principles, methods, concepts to recreate an existing application. It is the process of generating code from the design. Let's go on to the procedure part. I will do the procedure part directly from the star UML. So first I have created this class diagrams. Client. There are different classes like client, authentication server, game server, data center, user database, and game database. Or a client server can directly associated with authentication server, and authentication server is directly associated with game server, and server is also directly associated with the data center. But data center requires two dependent classes. One is the users database and another one is the game database. So every class has its respective attributes and operations of its own. Now let's go on to the steps how to convert this diagram into the code. So first we go to the tools menu, then we go to the extension manager if you do not have an extension. Sorry. So in this extension manager, we go through whatever extension we need to generate the appropriate code. In this case, we are going to use C++ and Java. So first we find where is the C++ section. See, as we can see, the extension is already installed, and if it is not installed, we will just click on the installed, and it will install the extension. And for Java, it goes the same. Now we can see that we have currently two extensions installed in the system. And then after installing of the extension, then we go again to the tools menu, then we select the uh, required section which we want to generate the code. I want to for now, for an instance, I want to generate now the code in Java. So first I will go to Java, then generate code. Then after that I select the entire model. I select the model, then OK. Now after that I have to select the location. I give the desktop and UML exp, that is the folder. Now as we can see that the codes has have been generated. Now I will show you where it is. See, now here the another here the model folder has been created, and inside the model, as we can see, we have six Java files for the six classes. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you can see, all the all the classes are present here. As we go inside one of those, so I will go to the client. Sorry, this one not. Um, See, now as we see through it, now we can see this is the code for the entire. This is the code for the class for the client. Now we'll go through the details of the diagram. So first one was the game copy and the client anti-cheat system, which is the attribute. We can see the attribute here as public void game copy and public void client anti-cheat. Then after that we can see the operations here, like launch game, join game, host private match, etc. And we can see these are the operations performed: public void launch game and public void join game. And we can also see that we have imported all utilities for this Java code using this command line. And regarding the other classes, this program will be the same, like attributes and the operations will be given. Now that I have explained the procedure for the forward engineering and this little small class, so after that, the generated code, we have stored it, and we have completed the forward engineering successfully, and so this will be the last of it. Thank you.